Hello, good afternoon. Monday. We have the Buddha birthday today in Hong Kong. I know yesterday we have the Buddha birthday and today we have the compensation holiday. And now this is about the lesson 52 of the kivymd lectures on the kivymd using Python. Of course, I use Emacs for the coding, and I revised some of the codes given by the lecturer. Although his example excellent, but I suit my own style. I would have all the codes basically in the class. In the class called lesson 52, which is about the time picker. Now, when I run it, there's an error though. It's called ModuleNotFoundError. There's no module of the kivymd ix.picker. I checked it and I found that I followed exactly what was given in the lecture, and basically the line is from kivymd ix.picker import that to picker. That should be okay, and so that's why I was wondering what's wrong with that. And I checked the documentation online. Sorry. And got here, and I checked it exactly. There's nothing wrong with that, isn't it? Then I was really wondering what's wrong. Yeah. No. What's wrong with that? Killed anyway, yeah. Sometimes the keystrokes problem. Now here, that's aligned. And I compare the two. I reduce the size, compare with the instructions. From kivymd, we see here import MDDatePicker. Yeah, nothing wrong. So this really can understand. Then I just try add a extra. Now this works. Wonderful, this is okay. 5:30, and I called it 30 p.m. Okay, look at it. It works. Cancel. Yeah, cancel. So it's just a sharing experience that if it doesn't work for this module, you can just add an extra. Just add an extra and it works. I don't know why, but maybe using my version of the kivymd is still the development version, maybe. But I think it makes sense of an extra because there are several pickers, right? The time pickers and the date pickers. Not only the time pickers work, date pickers also work. Okay, date picker. Yeah, this is a lot of intelligence can pick. Yeah, got a date here. Okay. Yeah, this works. Okay, that's it for this sharing of experience, and hope you enjoy listening to this sharing, and hope to talk to you about Kiwi, Python, or Emacs in the near future. Have a nice day.